Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 18th, 2023. We're going to talk about Roblox today, provide a quick update into the market for Roblox. You guys can see that the price has been dropping fast on yesterday's trading. You guys can see price ended down 12%. Why would that be? Now, you guys may say in the news that occurred yesterday, look at this market watch 19 hours ago. Roblox stock sinks after the company's final monthly bookings update underwhelms. Is that really the reason? Because if you guys can see here from my chart, we identified where price could ultimately go before price came down. So how could we possibly see that Roblox would hit this $47 price and then it may immediately crash down? How? Did we know that this was going to come out when their final monthly bookings underwhelms the market? Did we know that then? No, we didn't. Because we saw from the chart's perspective that this could be a prior area to see price in Roblox go down. Because it did the same thing back in October. So we didn't need to rely on the news to figure out why price is going down. We already saw this off the chart. That's why the chart is so important. It is the most vital thing that we have at our disposal to make sure that we stay consistently profitable and understand when we need to leave the market. If you guys would have saw that, our video, which was produced in Roblox on March the 4th, right? We told you $47 was the ultimate area of TP. Now TP simply means take profit, 13.5%, way before the market ended down 12% yesterday. So we can't say that we didn't know. And check this out. Again, pay attention to the charts. Look at this volume, okay? And then look at the volume right here. Is it just a coincidence that every time Roblox price hits that $47 area, $45 area, this volume increases? We saw the same amount of volume. Well, it's not the same, but definitely more volume came in on February the 15th than it did on April the 17th, but the volume definitely is noticeable. We can see that something occurs every time Roblox price hits $45. Every time. What's going on? So we can now understand that every time price in Roblox runs to 45, somebody is selling the stock. Who it is, I don't know, but somebody who holds a big bag of Roblox stock sells it. They get out. And then the market goes down. So we can see that this area is going to be a very important number going forward for Roblox. As long as price in Roblox trades below 45, we're not going to be in a bullish market. That is going to be very important. Okay, so keep $45 in your mind. So given that that's the case, could we possibly see Roblox continue to hold this trend line? Because the market is trending. This is where we're at right now. The market action in Roblox is simply trending. Can you see that? So for those who tell you to hold the market for 40 years, hold the stock for 40 years, just understand that from September to the current day, price hasn't gone anywhere outside of $25 to 50 or 45. Now, given what occurred into the market yesterday, why would you want to come in and buy the stock currently? We saw price get rejected at 45. That's one strike against the buyer. And then the second strike is we saw price on this 2-day price bar close lower. This one 2-day price bar has taken out all of the work and effort the buyers did from right here, right there. You can see that, right? All of these 2-day price bars, the market was just simply ever so slightly going up, all for it to be washed away in one 2-day price bar. So in 2 days, the market erased all of the work the buyers took just for it to hit $47 in 2 days. That's why it's important for you to understand when to leave the market, because they're not going to give you a heads up as to when you need to take the profit. So that's weakness there. Look at this on the 3-day chart. Again, this is weakness. Okay, now, again, I'm not a bear in the market in Roblox. I'm simply saying that the greater probability of price right now is for it to go down. Basically, by what I'm showing you now. The 2-day chart looks weak. Here it is on the 3-day. It looks weak. Price getting rejected at 47.50. All of that is weakness. So why would someone want to come in and buy this stock right now, when we haven't seen any new indications of strength just yet? Here it is, 3 days. So at the end of this week for Roblox, if the market closes at the low of the bar like it is now, then even on a 2-weekly chart, we have to look for price to continue to go lower. Now, my first target is not even that far. It's around 36. Okay, $36. The sad part is that when you see this on the monthly time frame, look at February's monthly price bar. That's weakness. But then in March, price went back up. So the market may actually still be bullish. Somebody just yesterday obviously wanted to sell some stock. So if the market doesn't go down that far from this day forward, then it still tells us that the bullish trend is still intact, and the market is going to try to break this $47.50 area to the upside. It's going to try it. So that is what we need to be on the lookout for, is to see if the buyers are going to come back in. And so far, it definitely looks like that has been the case. It looks like that's been the case. So let's stay focused. I would say around 38 to 36. Okay, if we continue to see price hover and hold these areas as support, no lower than 36, then we can say that the market is still buying. We see price in Roblox break below 36, then that's definitely indicating that price is weak and nobody is buying the stock anymore, not at those levels. Okay, so let me see. If I were to put on a price prediction now, our first target would be 38. That's 5.5%. 36 would be 10.25. Okay, so let me do that. We'll go ahead and play some slight weakness, not a lot, because I can see that buyers may still be in the market around those targets that I talked about and actually try to hold price. Okay, so that first target is 38. That's 5.25. Second target is around 36. That's 10%. Okay, that's it. Just those two areas there is where I'm looking for the market buyers to try to hold price. So it may be quick. It may be one day price comes down to 38 or 36 and begin to go back up. Okay, so that is it. Everyone else, give me your thoughts. As long as Roblox trades below 44.50, give or take, we're going to look for price to at least meander, bounce, and ever so slightly continue to trend lower. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.